How to fix Unit official WhatsApp to use this account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type WhatsApp. Now click on search. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. Now go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Now scroll down. Now go to apps, then go to app management and find WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp, click on force stop, then go to storage usage. Now first of all tap on clear cache and restart WhatsApp. If this, if this doesn't solve your issue, go back to the home screen. Now open up Play Store on your device. Now simply tap on uninstall, then reinstall the application. Now restart your device. I hope this should fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.